Now, I don't know if you guys know this thing, but often on marriage invitation cards, especially in India, we see RSVP. All right. So, SVP, this is what SVP is. Namaste, guys. So, today we'll be learning about greetings in French language. All right. So, we'll be covering very basic French language of A1 level. All right. So, let's start with greetings. So first of all, Monsieur, Monsieur, all right, means sir, all right. The correct pronunciation is Monsieur. It's not Monsieur, it's Monsieur, all right. Madame, Madame, it's ma'am. We often say, ma'am, how are you? All right. So this is the thing. So if you want to learn a fact, then the fact is it is composed of two words, ma plus dam. Dam means lady in French language. All right. Ma means my. So whenever you say madam or ma'am, even in English language, because this word has been adopted in English from French language. So it means my lady. All right. It is a manner, it is a very polite manner of calling someone. All right. So you can say madam. All right. Now let's say bonjour. Speak with me. Bonjour. Bonjour. All right. It is hello in French language. All right. Hello in French language. And this could be used in formal sentences and informal sentences both. All right. Always remember this. But in case if you want to say hi, if you want to say just hi, then salut. Salut. All right. Now, uh, remember, this is not a formal manner. Not a formal manner. No, it's a big no. All right. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Good evening. All right. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. All right. Now, bonne, bonne nuit. All right. Means good night. Good night. Bonne nuit. Good night. All right. Bonne nuit. You can use it with your girlfriend or anyone you feel like. All right. Now, I don't know if you guys know this thing, but often on marriage invitation cards, especially in India, we see RSVP. All right. So SVP, this is what SVP is. It is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît means please. All right, s'il vous plaît. And here R means répondez, means respond please. All right, répondez s'il vous plaît. Let me just write it down. It's répondez s'il vous plaît. It is the same s'il vous plaît here. All right. Now we often use pardon, pardon in English language. Pardon word has been adopted in English language from French language. All right. So pardon means sorry. You can use this pardon in English also. ठीक है, आप अंग्रेजी भाषा में भी pardon का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Excusez-moi. I don't know if you guys remember this, but there used to be this advertisement of Shah Rukh Khan where he used to speak French language. So instead of saying excuse me, he used to say excusez-moi, madame. All right, excusez-moi means excuse me. You can use it in English also. I've seen people using this one in English. All right. Au revoir. Now, au revoir. This is au revoir. See you again or see you soon. All right. It is au revoir. Let me just break it in order to make you understand. The verb is revoir. Voir means to see. Re means again. So the literal translation would be see you soon or see you again. All right. Now, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means night, and bonne means good. So it will become good night. All right, good night. Bonne soirée. All right, soirée is your evening. Speak with me. Bonne soirée. All right. Now listen. Whenever you see this thing, this accent in French language, it gives a sound of A. All right. A. A जैसा sound करता है. So bonne soirée means good evening. आप शाम के समय इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Good evening. All right. Demain. See you tomorrow. Demain means tomorrow. All right. See you tomorrow. So, demain. See you tomorrow. I don't know if the spelling is right or not. Sorry. So that's it for today. All right. Thank you guys. And if in case if you guys are preparing for TCF, TEF, DELF, TALF exams, I have already uploaded videos. So you can watch those videos for A1 level complete for TCF and TEF exams. And right now I'm focusing on DELF, TALF exams. So that's it. If you guys have any doubts in French language, you can leave a comment and I'll make a